How to change Windows language from Arabic to English. Hello and welcome back everybody. If you have turned on the Arabic language settings on your device and you want to head back to the default English language, in today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow for that. So let's get started. So press Windows plus I for that in order to access our settings. After that, we can head over the time and language option to open up these settings right here and click on the option called language and reason. Once we click on it here, we'll be finding different options with the Windows display language. So under Windows display language, we just need to go ahead and select the option of English. So if you have the option of English, you can select it up. If English is not installed, we can click on this option called add a language and just go over and search for English here and find English, what version you would like, and go ahead and look out for the next option and process with a process of installation. And you can set it as a display language. And that is it. If you can't read Arabic menus, you can just go over and look out for the settings menu instead. Go ahead and look out for the app section and look out for the settings option. Open up the settings, the gear icon, and just go over and look out for time and language and select the option of language and reset your language back to English. And that's it. You just need to restart your PC after you sign out as well, and the settings will be applied. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.